Another fine vehicle offered by Norwalk Toyota Scion.
This is a 2006 Toyota Tundra, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. It features a 4.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include air conditioning with vents for rear seat passengers, a CD player, an anti-lock braking system, front multi-stage airbags, and this vehicle has fewer than 36,000 miles on the odometer. This truck has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Norwalk Toyota Scion is located at 11404 East Imperial Highway in Norwalk. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.